Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Journey to a Happy Life. Today we are going to cook zucchini. So I have these two big zucchinis and I harvested it from my garden. So this one I harvested it a few days ago and this one I harvested it today. So I am only going to cook half of this one. This is actually 12 inches long and it's big. And then this recipe, guys, this dish only requires two ingredients. This one right here, chili onion crunch. So this chili onion crunch I got it from Trader Joe's. So there's an option also, you can either add more olive oil and you can also add this Knorr seasoning in here. So actually this chili, I got this one is, I haven't opened this one yet. This is the one, but it's, you know, there's hardly any olive oil in there, so that's why I'm going to add some olive oil. So the first thing you have to do is cut this one into cubes. I'm going to only use half of it, okay? Already warm, we can add this chili onion garlic. So as you can see, there's hardly any olive oil in here, so you can add less, you can put less, or you can put more. It's really up to you. I am going to add a little, maybe 1 tablespoon of garlic. No, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So be very careful, guys, kasi this one burns so easily. So it's better to put, you can put your zucchini now. I like my zucchini crunchy. So as soon as this one is, all of this one heated through, I usually turn off the stove. Then try to coat each of these zucchini. If you want, you can add a little bit of this one. You don't have to, you can just put a little bit of salt, or even, you don't even have to put salt. It's up to you. I find it's more tasty when you add this Knorr seasoning right here. Then just heads up, guys, this one is a little bit spicy, so if you don't like spicy food, you cannot use this one. So this is it, guys. I actually added a little bit more of the onion garlic crunch. And then I also added more of the Knorr one according to my taste. And this one, guys, is actually almost done. I think that's it. Because that's what I said, I like it crunchy. So okay, guys, this is the finished product. As you can see, it looks really delicious. And I hope you like this video, guys, and I will see you next time. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.